The National Weather Service in Glasgow has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Eastern Daniels County in northeastern Montana, Roosevelt County in northeastern Montana, Sheridan County in northeastern Montana, northeastern McCone County in northeastern Montana, northwestern Richland County in northeastern Montana, until 900 PM MDT, at 753 PM MDT. A severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles north of Poplar, moving north at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 0.60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plentywood, Scobey, Poplar, Brockton, Medicine Lake, Flaxville, Archer, Madoc, Bredette, Redstone, Whitetail, Outlook, Reserve, Raymond, Fort Kipp, Homestead, Dooley, Daleview, Fort Buttes, and Comertown. Precautionary/preparedness actions. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.